AutoGPT, the new kid on the AI block that's changing everything. Exploring the cutting-edge features of AutoGPT with examples. If you are familiar with the field of natural language processing, NLP, you have probably heard of GPT-3, the largest and most powerful language model ever created. GPT-3 can generate coherent and diverse texts on almost any topic, given a few words or sentences as input. It can also perform various tasks such as answering questions, writing summaries, composing emails, and even creating code. But what if I told you that there is a new language model that can do all that and more, without any human supervision or fine-tuning? A model that can learn from any kind of data, not just text, and generate any kind of output, not just language? A model that can adapt to any domain, task, or style, without any manual intervention or predefined rules. Meet AutoGPT, the new kid on the AI block that's changing everything. AutoGPT is a novel framework for self-supervised learning that combines two powerful ideas: autoencoders and transformers. Autoencoders are neural networks that learn to compress and reconstruct data, such as images or audio. Transformers are neural networks that learn to process sequential data, such as text or speech. By combining these two components, AutoGPT can learn to encode any kind of data into a common latent space, and then decode it into any kind of output. For example, given an image as input, AutoGPT can encode it into a sequence of tokens, and then decode it into a caption, a description, a question, or even another image. Given a piece of text as input, AutoGPT can encode it into a sequence of tokens, and then decode it into a summary, a translation, a paraphrase, or even a piece of code. And the best part is that AutoGPT can do all this without any labels or annotations. It simply learns from the data itself, by trying to reconstruct the input or generate something similar to it. AutoGPT is not only versatile but also scalable. It can handle large amounts of data and generate high-quality outputs. It can also leverage pre-trained models such as GPT-3 or BERT to boost its performance and reduce its training time. Moreover, AutoGPT is flexible and adaptable. It can adjust to different domains, tasks, and styles by changing its encoder or decoder architecture, or by using different data sources. To illustrate the power and potential of AutoGPT, let's look at some examples of what it can do. Image captioning. Image captioning is the task of generating a natural language description for an image. This is useful for various applications such as accessibility, search engines, social media, and education. Here is an example of how AutoGPT can generate a caption for an image. Input: an image of a dog wearing sunglasses and a hat. Output: a cool dog with sunglasses and a hat poses for the camera. Text summarization. Text summarization is the task of generating a concise and informative summary for a long piece of text. This is useful for various applications such as news articles, research papers, reviews, and emails. Here is an example of how AutoGPT can generate a summary for a text. Input: a long article about the benefits of meditation. Output: meditation is a practice that involves focusing one's attention on a single object or sensation. It has been shown to have positive effects on mental and physical health, such as reducing stress, anxiety, depression, pain, blood pressure, and inflammation. Meditation can also improve memory, attention, creativity, and empathy. There are different types of meditation techniques that suit different preferences and goals. Some examples are mindfulness meditation, transcendental meditation, mantra meditation, and loving-kindness meditation. Code generation. Code generation is the task of generating executable code for a given specification or requirement. This is useful for various applications such as software development, web design, data analysis, and education. Here is an example of how AutoGPT can generate code for a specification. Input: write a Python function that takes two numbers as arguments and returns their sum. Output: def add_numbers, a, b. Return a plus b. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.